Hey guys, this is Professor LaRosa with LaRosa Private Training. This week we're going to talk about breaking the closed guard, gi versus no gi. This week we're going to be covering no gi. So what we need to do is we're going to be stepping up and back on one leg, and the other knee will not go center of the butt like most people do in the gi. This is because the second the knee goes in the butt, we're eligible to get tipped and unbalanced. The reason why we need to step up and back is to create leverage to break the guard. A lot of people pass with both knees down. That's a huge frustration of mine. You're not going to be able to do that in no-gi. So let's go ahead and get into this. Okay guys, so this week what we're going to talk about is how to break the guard. A lot of people would not even think much of this, but I see people having issues breaking the guard. You can't pass the guard unless you break the guard, if that makes sense. So a couple things that I see that are an issue, and it's a difference between gi and no-gi. No-gi, I don't have nowhere to grab on my partner, okay? The other issue that I see is people pass from both knees down. That's going to be a huge issue. You're limiting your mobility. And the third thing actually that we're going to do is a lot of people put the knee center of the butt. That's how everyone was taught to break the guard. That is so frustrating. I want to show you why that frustrates me, because it is so easy to defend. And if it's easy to defend, then that means you're going to have a lower chance of breaking the guard. Let me explain real quick. If I'm on my back and Justin's in my guard, and he has good posture, hands are good positioning, brings his knee into my butt, steps up back, or just straight back, doesn't matter, and he starts trying to break my guard. Watch how easy this is. All I'm going to do is I'm going to shift my butt cheek this direction, hold good posture, ready? That's how easy it is to defend. So, now that you've seen that, let's hope you don't do that no more. Let's talk about how to properly break the guard. Talk about a couple different things. First off, I'm on my shoelaces. What does that mean? I'm on the top of my feet, sitting on my shins. My knees are wide, okay? So I have a good foundation. I have a wide base. Talk about hands. Like I said, we don't have nothing to grab onto, so what are we gonna do? I like to take my right thumb, I put it right in here, contour that floating rib, I dig my thumb up and in. From here, I take my fingers and I claw into my partner. A lot of people are like this, they're afraid of getting their fingers broke. Well, here's the problem, is now I don't have much surface area. When I come in here, I'm covering more surface area and I'm actually gripping into my partner and I'm up and into his floating rib. If he goes to sit up, this is actually gonna start disrupting his breathing. It's very uncomfortable, right? Yeah. This hand, I see people go to the pelvis. We're gonna go to the thigh, right here. I wanna grip right on the thigh. Again, fingers are wide, grabbing the meat of my partner. From here, I roll my elbow to the inside, okay? I want to be on the inside of the knee right here. I see people just doing this, digging in, pain compliance. That is shit technique. That is not how you break guard. Roll in, grip, or grip, roll in, whatever one's more comfortable for your body. Notice I keep this arm straight. I don't want a slight bend. If there's a slight bend, my shoulder drops. I actually just broke my own posture. If I straighten it up, you'll notice my shoulder is back, chest is forward, and I'm looking forward, okay? I'm never like this. If I look down and he pulls my head, guess what? Posture gets broke. If I'm like this, grab my head, no problem, okay? Now, whatever side that the arm is on the inside of the leg, in this case it's gonna be my left, I wanna step up and back with my left. Now, the reason why I don't do this, straight back, is all he's gonna do is follow. So we go back. I don't bring the knee in the center of the butt, I just showed why. I don't want to step my leg, my knee back like that. We're going to step up and back. Watch this. I step up, back. Now notice, I have really poor posture right now. So on this leg, I'm going to sit again to my shoelaces and I lean back. Watch how that might already break his guard. Right there, his guard actually just broke. Okay, it's stretching his ankles. It's breaking the lock. If for whatever reason, he has really good dexterity, he keeps it in pretty tight. Lock up that guard again real tight. Right here. I see people just pushing straight down. My leg is in the way. There is no way his leg is going to cut through my leg like butter, okay? So what we're going to do is I'm going to put pressure on the inside of the knee. Notice I still have my good posture. Arm is straight, posture. Okay, I'm looking forward. I take my elbow. I'm gonna do this motion, but when I do this, I don't allow my hand to come off his thigh. Okay, I don't want to start feeding one in, one out. We have that grip right here. Watch how I push straight out. Very easy to open the guard. And now we can start passing.